Tell us about it.
Well, Colette, this hearing was due to get underway at 10 o'clock this morning at the Mullingar Park Hotel. Mr. Burke arrived with 3 members of his family, and they immediately raised 2 concerns at the hearing. The first was that the chairperson of the Board of Management was not present. They were informed that he is unwell, receiving treatment and unable to attend, and a nominated chairperson will be taking his place. They objected to that. They also then objected to the presence of legal representatives for the school. Now, what happened after that then caused the Gardaí to be called, Colette. The Burke family stood in close proximity to the Board of Management, who were seated at the time, and chanted for a prolonged period of time. They demanded to know where the chairperson was, and they labelled the proceedings a sham. A Gardaí attended. They stood outside the room as the Burke family continued to chant for quite a prolonged period of time. Now, about an hour ago, the official proceedings of the Board of Management concluded. The Burke family were told that the hearing had concluded and they were asked to leave the room, and when they refused to do so, the Board of Management began to make their way out of the room, at which point the Burke family began to follow them as the Board of Management made their way to a separate room close by in which they were to begin their rulings. The Gardaí intervened at that point. They separated the Burke family from the Board of Management and stood guard outside the door as the Burke family continued to chant for a shorter period of time. The Gardaí left the Mullingar Park Hotel a short time ago, Colette. The Burke family remain inside, and they say they want to speak to the chairperson of the board who is unable to attend. In terms of what happens from now, Colette, regardless of the decision made by the board, it won't be made public, and if sanctions are applied to Mr. Burke, he will be entitled to an appeal.
All right, Rob, thank you for all of that.